Alright everybody, this lawnmower came in a couple of years ago and it's just amazing. It's an old, well not that old because it's an overhead valve, but it's, everybody commented on the owner should get the cleanest mower in the world award. And he's brought it to me because he's having carburetor trouble. And that's all I know. But I looked down here, right there. That's gas. Yep, look at that. So he's got a needle and seat issue, which on Tecumsehs aren't that hard to fix. So this is a Scotts Easy Start Magna Torque. Scotts, that's a great name for a lawnmower because it seems how they do fertilizer and seed. So anyway, that's the intro to this bad boy. Alright my friends, this is that super clean Tecumseh. It looks like a Husqvarna, but it says Scotts on it. So I'm just going to take off a couple of covers so we can get at this carburetor a little bit easier. Sure is a well-made thing, eh? Cardboard box for parts. I'm going to jack it up. A little rougher than I remember. Are you with me? Yes, you are. Good. So now I am going to put some rubber gloves on. Here comes the gloves. Do-do-do-do. I say. So now we can have a little closer look at this. We'll put the gas cap back on so we don't contaminate said fuel. Air filter. It's all, everything for this guy looks brand new, eh? His name's Chris, I think. Okay. So there is your standard. It doesn't just get any more standard than that. Tecumseh. So I'm just going to pitch off the gas line and I'm going to have a look at the needle and seat. I need a 1/2 inch ratchet wrench. It's going to drip. It's already dripping. Oh, maybe he had a look at it. Oh! Makes me wonder if he's had a look in here. I don't know. Okay, this looks fair. Crystal clear. Crystal clear persuasion.
Crystal clear persuasion.
A new vibration.
A new vibration.
Okay, so I'm going to haul out, if I can, and take off the needle and seat. Chair. That's as good as I can do. I'm going to have to take this end off too. Good. It's all one piece, I think. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, needle nose. Good. Okay, that's going to come out nice. I might put a new seat in. I don't think there's much wrong with this. going to get a little bit of carb spray. I'm just going to spray it in there, and we're going to take out the let's see if I can get at it. It's interesting. Sometimes you just get a feeling, yes, I could take these two bolts off and take the whole works off. But you know, you don't want to mess up the seals. Okay, what do we got here? Good. I'm going to have to put this guy on a jack. Oh man, that is a heavy old mower. Now, if I got room to use my tell you, when you're in a hurry, like, you know, the camera's rolling, I'm going to take that seat out of there. There it is. I'm going to stick a new one of those in. And I got that right from up in, hey, you guys can look better than I can. From that hole there, that little round one. I've got the full kit. I'm going to give them my last 63021 Baker carb kit. I can't get these anymore, you guys. If somebody can find where I can get a 63121 Baker, let me know. Breaker. I tell you, nothing's easy, guys. My utility knife just seized. Why? I don't know. Okay, I'll turn you off for a minute. Alright, so now we're going to install the seat back into that little groove. I should probably wash it out with carb spray again. And then a shot of air. Let a little bit of gas through there. There, that washes everything out. And let's get that seat stuck in there. Now on these seats, it's been a long while since I did one on a line. The side with, there's two sides. The side with the side with the ring and the side with the flat, but a little writing on it. That's the side that goes out. Like that's the in and that's the out on the bottom. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I think you might be able to see some of it. Come on. I might have to use a drill bit to set that. And that is an 11/64. You can use the back side of the drill bit. There it is. Just felt it go. I'm not going to use the needle because I know the old needle works. And they're a little nicer. They're just, if you look, this is the needle from the old days. And this is the needle now, and it doesn't have as a sharp a point. Side by side. They're just slightly off. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to make sure there's no fluid in this. I don't think so. Alright. Man, this is Lawnmower 101 right here. So you put the needle in the hole where the seat went, right? Naturally. There we go. And then the pin is the pivot for the float. Feels a little stiff. Yeah, this is a class act here, this one. Brand new O-ring. Now I'm going to just lower this down and let it bleed a little bit while I install the bowl again. But before I do that, I'm just going to bring you over here, take you off of zoom. You see my face. Ah! It's like a kid when you're looking at Santa Claus. Okay, so down here, I'm just going to squirt a little bit of stuff through this jet. This is a jet. This isn't just a bolt, eh? Good. Alright, this is just a quick check because everything on this mower is so clean. But something got in there, right? Okay. Let's close this off. Oh no. We got to do this with all of the dexterity we can muster. I'm going to close this hole and that hole. And where's our little hole that I want to look at? Right there. So there, and I want to squirt in there and see if a little bit of carb spray comes out the tiny hole. Does. So that is clean. Might as well stick on a new bowl seal. So we got a new major bowl seal, a new minor bowl seal, a new seat, but I kept the old needle. I liked it better. And here is our beautiful clean bowl. Let's make sure there's no holes in it. And let's just pop it on there. You guys can watch from back here now. You kind of know what I'm doing. Oh, I was going to lower it and let it bleed a little bit, right? There she goes. Bleed a lot. Okay. So now I'm going to dry everything off. Let the gas go. Now, just for fun, I'm going to take, oh, I got some out. I'm going to take a little tiny bit of transmission fluid and I'm going to make this primer bulb look a little more subtle. Subtle. Okay. Let's just get the air compressor going. Chug, 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 chug. Have a look underneath. Okay, now I gotta wait and see if the needle and seat leak. Okay, the cover's on and everything's cleaned up. And I don't know if he wants me to carry on any further. I'll send him a text. One more little startup. By the way, I was fighting with this and I had some crazy glue on the face of the blade. Oh boy.